Hello fellow humans, my name is Jackie if you're new here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible and delicious shredded crispy tofu. As always, all specific measurements and ingredients are in the video description below and as a full written recipe on my website. To prepare the tofu, you have to first drain and press the tofu. I do recommend a tofu press for pressing your tofu since it just makes the process way easier and cleaner. Press it for at least 30 minutes, best overnight. And then next we will use a cheese grater to grate our pressed tofu. This is the medium-sized blade. Be careful not to cut yourself. Also lay the grater on the side so you collect the tofu in there so you can just transfer it easily like that. For all the leftovers, for the chunks that are too small to really grate them by hand, just chop them up and add them as well, and then we will season them and marinate the tofu. And this is a pulled pork inspired flavor. If you want to use a different marinade, you can do that too. Otherwise, just use the ingredients in the video description or on my website. And then once you've added all the seasonings, just mix them together. You can do that with a fork or just by hand, which will be a little bit quicker and easier. Use a little bit bigger bowl than I used here. It was a little hard to do that in that tiny bowl. And then you let it rest for at least 20 minutes. The longer you let it rest, the more flavor the tofu will absorb. And then all you need to do is fry it until it's crisp and brown. The longer you fry it, the crispier it gets. And if you prefer an oil-free version, you can also bake it in the oven for around 30 minutes until it's nice and crispy. You can basically use this for anything. Pasta sauces, topping for salads and Buddha bowls, tacos, lasagna, curry, tikka masala, chilies, sandwiches, to fill your dumplings or pierogi with it, to add it to soups or goulash, dinner. You can get really creative with that. I really hope you like this recipe. If you enjoyed this video and recipe, leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Put on the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. See you soon. Bye!